aldehyde group in chemistry. So look at compound 1. Compound 1 has aldehyde group. Where is the aldehyde group? The aldehyde group is this CHO. So we are going to start the counting of the functional group. So that is 1, 2, what? 3. Abi? So I can count like this or like this. So let me start with. We look at the board. This is aldehydes.
Yes.
You know it ends with what? Ah.
Yes.
This is methane, ethane, propane. So that is propane 1R. Good. So let's say we have propane 1R. Okay? This is the substituent. The substituent is on what carbon?
Carbon 2.
So we now say what? 2 methyl propane 1R. So equally you can say 2 methyl propane. Okay? So alright. Look at this one. This one has only one carbon. One carbon is methane. Abi? So metana. 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 You can say metan 1R. It is equally formaldehyde. This is preservation of specimens. Okay? So look at this. Carbon 1 and carbon 2. We have 1R. We have 2R. First and foremost, this is 1, 2 diR. Ethane. So ethane 1, 2 diR. Okay, ethane 1, 2 diR. Ethane 1, 2 dialdehyde. Do you understand me? So look at this. Look at, we have two functional groups here. We have aldehyde functional group. We have oxo functional group. Which one supersede? This is ketone.
Yes, sir.
This is which one supersede? The principal functional group.
Between aldehydes.
Yeah, between aldehydes and ketones. You look for the principal. Aldehyde comes first. So this is the principal functional group.
Yes.
So it is the name. Whenever you are naming, the name will end with what? The principal functional group. Let me first of all write what we end the name. How we end the name? Abi, go. You have methane, ethane, propane, butane. So let me now say butane 1R. Do you understand me? So what is this one for? You know it says you are using prefixes for what? Or if there are two functional groups, one will stand as principal functional group, while the other one will stand as substituent. That is, you are using oxo prefixes for ketone. The prefix of ketone is oxo. Abi? And when you look at it, number it 1, 2, what? 3. You have 3 oxo, 3 oxo, and 1R. It is equally 3 oxo butana. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So let's look at this compound. So let's say we have, okay, we equally have aldehyde and carboxylic acid. Which one is the principal functional group? Carboxylic acid. You see it's very straight, direct. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. This is 3. Yes. So this is 4. Abi?
Yes, we are
methane, ethane, propane, butane. So you will now say butane what? 1 oil. 1 oil. Because of this. Abi?
Yes.
So remember that what is now remaining on this that is oxo. Abi? Oxo. Here is what? Oxo. So here will be 4 oxo. Here will be what? 2 methyl. Yes. Between 4 oxo and 2 methyl, which one will come first?
Methyl.
Methyl. Okay.
That's
so you now say 2 methyl, not 2 ethyl.
Yes,
2 methyl, 4 oxo, butane 1 oil. Or 2 methyl, 4 oxo, butanoic acid. Okay. Look at this. We start the counting here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is very straight compound. This is called what? Butana. Or you call it butane 1R. Okay?
Yes.
Look at this compound. 1, 2. Because this is the aldehyde group. So that is called what? Etana. It's very simple. So this is also aldehyde group.
1, 2, 3.
1, no, 1, 2.
Yes.
This, how many chlorine do you have for carbon 2? Is 3.
Yes.
You know this carbon and this carbon will form etana now. Abi? Etana, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now when you look at this is 2 chloro, 2 chloro, 2 chloro. It will now form what? 2 trichloro etana. 2 trichloro what? Etana. So when you look at this is 1. So we can count like this. 1, 2, Correct. Because this is a functional group. This is a functional group. And aldehyde functional group supersede what? The alkane functional group. So this is the principal functional group. Methane, ethane, propane. So the next is what? 1R. Abi, look at the other functional group. That is 3 Abi. So you now say 3 what? Oh, sorry. 2 in. 2 in. So 2 in 1R. So you now what? Prop what? Prop 2 in 1R. Now you have what? Methyl here. The methyl is on carbon 2, right?
Yes.
So 2 methyl. That's how to name organic compound as easy as possible. So where do we start for compound? Start for compound 10. We start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means pent, Abi?
Yes.
And this is an
Pentana.
R. 1R. Pentana. Good of you. Pentana. That is pentana. So look at this compound. You know this is a benzene. Abi? This is a benzene. Abi, is that not benzene? So benzene. So benzene and aldehyde. I can decide to call it benzaldehyde. Do you understand me?
Yes.
So, and I can decide to call, you know, if I just have this compound like this, you know, this is called methanol. Abi, this is called methanol. So, if I'm writing this one, this C, based on it has 1 carbon, that's methanol. So, if I write it as what? Methanol. I now use the suffix for the prefix for benzene. What is the prefix for benzene? Phenyl. Because that is the reduced form of benzene. So, we have what? Methanol. So phenylmethanol and benzaldehyde, they are the same thing. Okay. Look at this compound. We have an aldehyde group and an hydroxy group. Which one is the principal functional group there? Check it. For principal functional group, aldehyde is an alcohol. Aldehyde is an alcohol. Aldehyde is an alcohol. Aldehyde. Okay. Now normally this is benzaldehyde, right?
Yes.
Abi. So I will say this is what? Benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde, okay?
Yes.
So 1, 2. This is 2 hydroxy, right? It will represent suffix like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry. So 2 hydroxy what? Benzaldehyde. Now look at this. Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. This is benzene 1,4-diol. Benzene what? 1,4-diol. Diol. It's 1,4-diol. You can say 1,4-dihydroxy benzene. It also means the same thing. Okay. Now this is the principal functional group for question 14. Okay. This is 1 and 2. Because assuming this OH is not there, the name is called benzoic, like that. Benzoic acid. But because of this OH, we now decide to call it what? 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. So it is very, very easy, very, very simple. 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. So 2-hydroxy benzoic acid can also be called salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. Can also be called or aspirin. Aspirin. Do you understand? So God bless you. That is for naming of compounds containing aldehyde groups in organic chemistry. Thank you.